How you doing, Alistair?
I'm doing good.
Did a little piece of X-ray, did that bother your mouth? Did it poke you? Yeah. Okay, she's getting small ones, okay?
I want it to be unbearably small.
I don't know if they have that size.
Yes, I want it to be able to breathe much.
Yeah, I know. It's not very comfortable.
I think we got small ones now, Alistair.
Yes, I just want air so I can live.
Yeah, I don't blame you. We all want to live.
Does it feel silly? Oh, no, don't look at it.
There's nothing in there, huh? It looks fun. Okay, I'll have you open real big again.
Go, ah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Good job. Perfect.
Nice. Well, they got Curious George up there, Alistair.
Oh, yeah.
Do you like watching TV while you're at the dentist? Does that help you relax?
I'm just stretching out.
Yeah.
I'm just
Are
seeing
you-
what the teeth looks like.
Yeah, those are teeth up there. How many teeth are in the human mouth?
I think about 32.
32 teeth. We got the iPad here for comfort if you want it.
Yeah, but
And then
Connor
look,
really,
is that a stress ball? Alistair, look. Oh, not interested in that.
Oh my
Oh, it's going so high.
It's like a rocket. Whee! Oh, it looks like a.
You didn't know you'd get a free ride today, huh?
Yeah, it's fun, huh?
This chair is like a fun ride.
It is a little
This chair is like fun to ride on.
Right? It's kind of like a roller coaster.
Yeah, it's like water.
You want to push it?
It's like a water gun.
Oh, yeah, you did it.
All right, and then the last one is the one Dad was
Okay.
singing over here.
Can we not waste the water?
Yeah, you're so
He's all
conscious.
water
You're so
conscious.
conscious.
Well,
Alright,
we live in
and so-
Utah, right? It's a drought state.
Yeah,
so there
it's
you
so
go.
dry. We got to save all our water. Okay, so this is our last one. It's just a little straw. You close your lips around it like a straw, and it sucks all the water out. It's just a mini vacuum. It's just noisy.
Yeah, it's
Do you
just
want to
noise.
give it a try?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm just going to turn it on.
It's
just
okay.
noisy.
It won't hurt you.
Go ahead and close your lips around it.
Go.
Give
Like
it
that.
a kiss.
Close your mouth.
Perfect. Can you give it a kiss? Close your lips all the way together.
Was that funny?
See, it just smells like grape.
Smells
think?
good, huh?
Yeah, it smells like great.
Good.
All right, we're gonna polish your teeth.
Okay, you want to lay your head back for me? I'll brush your teeth for you. You don't have to do anything. I do all the work.
Just watch the show.
All you have to do is open nice and big, and I'm going to tickle your teeth. Okay, we're going to try it on this one right here first, okay? Awesome job.
That's not bad, is it, Alistair?
Feels a little funky, but it just gets your teeth nice and clean. Good job.
Nice, Alistair. Just a little tickle.
Get your bottom ones here, and your tongue a little bit too. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to have you open really
Ah.
big again. Awesome job. I'm going to get these back ones here.
Oh, look at that.
Whee! Did it tickle your cheek a little bit there? I'm sorry. It just makes weird noises and sucks on your tongue weird.
Doing
You're
so good.
I was one when I was afraid of the dentist.
Yeah,
I
well, that's
used to be-
okay.
I used to be afraid of the dentist.
But you know what? Hey, Daddy has gotten so many cleanings over the years, and you just get used to it. It's like anything else. You just get used to it. And close your eyes if you need to.
Can
if
you
it's
sit
right.
on your hands for me?
Here, sit on your hand. Alistair, hands down. Sit on your hands.
And then put your chin to the sky.
There you go.
Perfect. Oh, you're doing amazing,
Good
buddy.
job. Now go
Chin to the sky
ah.
and go ah.
Close your eyes.
Okay, you're
Oh,
doing
look.
great, dude.
Got a little
A
cavity.
little cavity here.
Uh-oh.
You got one sugar bug hanging out in there. So just an occlusal on teeth.
Okay.
Just one cavity, Alistair. Just one.
I don't see a whole lot going on in there. You're looking to be in pretty
Is
good
it
shape.
just a teeny tiny cavity?
It is.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, I don't think so. We'll just schedule an appointment for his
This
filling.
is for you.
You got a goodie bag.
Awesome, dude. You did amazing.
You did so awesome. As many as you want.
You want to put it in the machine? Want to pick something?
Look around, see what ones you want. There's lots of choices.
This is so much better than when I was a kid.
I know.
They would just clean your teeth and say, toughen up, buttercup.
Exactly that.
Thanks again so much. Oh, what'd you get, Alistair? Oh, there it goes. What did you get? Show me.
Like, an orange.
Yeah. Hey everybody, we just got out of the dental office. Alistair did great. Connor's with us. He's holding the phone right now. He did great too, no cavities. As far as overcoming fear, it's just a matter of getting them used to it. There's no magic bullet. We just go again and again. There's been a time where Alistair's had to be gassed before on nitrous oxide to get him calm enough to where he could have his teeth cleaned. This time he didn't need it. He might need it for a filling. He has a little cavity. We'll have to come back for filling, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. And yeah, we just make him as comfortable as possible. We brought iPads, you know, stress toys, television, right? You pull out all the stops, do what you can do. But at the end of the day, it's just about repeating, getting them comfortable, and hopefully lightning strikes and you get that right moment when they're calm and cool, and then you can get their teeth cleaned. But it went really well today, so we're happy for that. See you in the next video, guys.